Out of my fucking bomb range.
Requesting sentry.
Damn, now I wish I would have bought my robot in here. My fucking mech.
Oh no, it's not worth it here. Oh, Hive Lord. Ground's rumbling.
That's what I'm saying. I wish I would have brought it because all this bullshit.
It takes too long to come back. It takes like 10 fucking minutes to come back, so it's
Nah, you call it in when it's useful.
Found something. Marking location. Rare sample acquired.
there he is, right over here.
Yeah, where is it? Where is
Still
it?
underground
I
though,
wanna see
it's coming towards y'all. It's here now. There you go, there's the big fat fuck. You have to shoot it between the scales and in the mouth.
Requesting sentry. Calling down a sentry. Calling down a sentry.
Oh wait, who's
Dark tunnel
that?
breach.
That's a new person. Who's that? That's Spiral. I'm just gonna go with 17. Orange is 17.
How about a nice cup of
What do I do wrong?
Oh. Nah, I'm just trying to make this easy to identify everybody.
Cap just killed me.
Ready to liberate.
What the fuck is going on? I don't even know where I'm at right
giving
now.
you.
That's why I love this.
Calling supply
That's how
beacon.
you know we're playing it correctly, is because we're lost.
Ah!
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit.
I don't even have my heavy weapon
Requesting air
anymore.
support.
I need my robot. I don't like this.
Calling in reinforcements.
I got crushed by a charger and vomited on at the same time. That was kinky.
Quit complaining. Just have some fun already.
There was no
Yeah.
complaining here.
Yeah.